Hello everyone. So today we have Grundig 3039 from late 70s, early 80s. It's FM player, cassette also, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, sounds great. Let's try forward. Works. Let's have a look how it looks in the dark. Lights are okay. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, simply U, it's FM, and the rest is useless radio, which we don't use anymore. So these two buttons are the Bluetooth. So any of these. Now the Bluetooth is activated. We'll go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a couple of seconds. Here it is. Now the Bluetooth is connected. We can go to YouTube and play any music we want. Cool, right? All original looks, very good condition. Very few scratches and marks. Let's try another song. Ads, of course. Here it is. If you want to go back to regular radio, press U, and now you're back. Very simple. Thumbs up.